Thinking about upgrading your phone with Spectrum Mobile? Let's break down the core components: trade ins and financing. Spectrum Mobile makes upgrading accessible and affordable. First, you can trade in your old device for credit towards a new one, with values ranging from $50 to $1,000 depending on its condition, age, and model. Ensure your old device is unlocked and not reported lost or stolen. Second, Spectrum Mobile offers flexible financing options like installment plans, sometimes with 0% APR promotions for new activations, even with AI driven credit checks. This allows you to spread payments over time, making that new phone easier to get. These options make upgrading your phone with Spectrum Mobile straightforward and budget friendly. Ready to upgrade? Here's a simplified step by step process to get you started. First, check your eligibility via the Spectrum mobile app or website. Your plan needs to be active with no outstanding balances. Next, select your desired new device, considering any trade in value to offset the cost. Devices from Apple, Samsung, Google, and Motorola are available. Then initiate the trade in process either online or in store and receive an instant valuation. If financing is needed, complete a quick application for approval. Approvals are provided quickly. Finally, complete the purchase and choose shipping or in store pickup. Activation usually takes 24 to 48 hours. Don't forget post upgrade support for data transfer and take advantage of the 30-day return policy.